Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to cover chapter number 1, Computer System. I have divided it into two parts because it is a long chapter and we can't cover it in a single video. So, in first part we revise whatever we study in previous classes. So, let's start. In previous classes, you have learned about the definition of computer. Here, I have given a definition. You have seen or you have learned various definition. You can choose whatever you want. In this video, I have given that a computer is an electronic device that manipulate information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve and process data. We can also define it in various way. I have another definition of computer, that is, computer is an electronic device which takes raw data through input device and process it, then give a desired result through output device. Next thing, characteristics of computer. As we know that computer is famous for its characteristics like speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility and storage. First of all, we have to see the speed. What we understand by speed? Speed means a computer computer works with much higher speed and accuracy compared to human while performing mathematical calculation. Computer can process millions of instructions per second. Next, accuracy. Computer perform calculation with 100% accuracy. Errors may occur due to the data inconsistency or inaccuracy. Next one is diligence. A computer can perform millions of tasks or calculation with the same consistency and accuracy. It doesn't feel any lack of concentration. Its memory also make it superior to that of a human being. Next one is versatility. Versatility refers to the capability of a computer to perform different kind of works with the same accuracy and efficiency. Next, storage. Storage means whatever data we save in computer, it is stored in somewhere, and that is memory. A computer has built-in memory called primary memory where it stores data. Secondary storage devices are removable devices such as a CD, pen drive, etc., which is also used as a storage device. Now, next one is the application of computer. As we know that we use computer in various fields, like we use computer in home, medical field, we use computer for entertainment. Computer are used in industries, educations, government, bank, business, science and engineering. These are the places where we found that computer are used, and we also know that we by using the computer we can reduce our working time or working effort. So nowadays in various places we are using computer. Now computer is divided into three units. First one is input unit, second one is central processing unit, and third one is output unit. Input unit is a collection of input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, etc. CPU. CPU is the stand for central processing unit, and it is divided into three parts: memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic and logic unit. And third one is output unit. Output unit is also a collection of output devices. Output devices are monitor, printer, projector, etc. So a computer is divided into these three units. We will discuss in it in later, where we see what is the work of memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic unit. Now, functions of computer. Data is entered into computer using input devices. Data or instructions are stored in computer in its memory and process or uses them as and when required. Data is processed and converted into useful information. Output is generated as per format. Control mechanism is established for controlling all the functions. It means functions means whatever work performed by the computer is known as functions. Means computer takes data through input device, it is also a function. Computer gives results through output devices, it is a function. And whatever we feed in computer, it stores somewhere in the place, it is also a part of function, where we see that data is stored in primary memory or secondary memory. Thank you to all.